They say that anybody ignoring the evacuation warning in this area may face certain death. Geraldo Rivera is live on the seawall there, shaking hands with some of the firefighters as they walk through the area. Geraldo, tell me a little bit about, we're just watching that.
Yeah.
Tell us where you are and what's going on.
Well, we're on the seawall. Look at this. I want to show you something, Martha.
Whoa. I am. Are you okay? He takes a licking but keeps on ticking, this guy, folks.
Yeah, right.
Not too easy to knock down Geraldo Rivera.
You know what happened? That flotsam took my legs out. Oh, no. I know I'm going to be the star of YouTube now. This water's filthy, too.
Oh, my gosh.
Right
in the middle of it, as always.
Oh, my mother saw that. She's going to be
Yeah, she's going crazy.
These guys